Hey everyone! If you're an entrepreneur looking to make money quickly and efficiently, you've tuned into the right video. Today, I'm diving into the electrifying world of affiliate marketing and more specifically, how you can start earning instant payments the moment a sale is made. So buckle up, because this is going to be a game changer for your financial strategies. Now, affiliate marketing might sound complex, but it basically means you promote someone else's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? But here's the kicker. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some make you wait days or even months to receive your hard-earned money. But don't worry, I've got your back. Today I'm going to share the secret sauce to earning instant commissions. That's right, you get paid the moment the sale happens. Imagine making a sale at 10 a.m. and having the cash to spend by 1 a.m. Exciting, isn't it? So, how do you find these magical instant payout affiliate programs? Well, while there are numerous industries out there, one particular niche stands out for its rapid pay: the digital products sector. Whether it's ebooks, software, or online courses, digital products don't require physical shipping, which means commissions can be processed almost immediately. Now let me give you a quick example. Say you're promoting an online course that teaches digital marketing. Every time someone purchases the course through your affiliate link, boom, you receive a commission right then and there. No waiting period, no fuss. This immediacy not only improves your cash flow, but also keeps the motivation pumping. But here's the real pro tip. Always choose reputable platforms that support instant payouts. Platforms like ClickBank or JVZoo specialize in digital products and are known for their quick and reliable payment methods. By aligning with such platforms, you're setting yourself up for success. And remember, the key to excelling in affiliate marketing is not just choosing the right niche or platform, it's also about how effectively you can promote the products. Utilize all tools at your disposal: social media, blogs, YouTube videos, and perhaps even email marketing. The more visibility you create, the higher your chances of making those quick sales. Alright, are you ready to jump into the fast lane of earning? If this video sparked your interest, then don't hesitate. Click the link in the description below to start finding the best instant payout affiliate programs right now. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it to help others in their entrepreneurial journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content just like this. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success. Let's make money move as fast as you do.